Hey there everyone, in today's video we are going to talk about a loading bar WordPress plugin. So basically with the help of this plugin you will be able to add a loading screen on your website. So generally customer or visitor or audience when they comes to your website, a website generally takes 3 to 5 seconds to totally boot up or should I say load up, right? So in the meantime your customer don't want to, your audience never want to see a blank screen in front of them, right? So we want to replace that particular blank screen with some kind of animations, right? So let me tell you what are the animation this plugin is offering you. So if you scroll down it and want to read the whole documentation, you can always come to this official website and read it. And if you want to know more about the live things which you will get in this plugin, you can always click on the live preview button and you will see these are the some kind of loading screen which they will offer. Also basically I will just tell you how we can install that particular loading screen on your website. So first of all you need to buy this plugin. You can always bought it from here. Okay, once you have downloaded the plugin on your system, the second step is to install that particular plugin on your WordPress website. So generally for this video purpose I will use my own youtube.srmehranclub.com. So I make most of my tutorial videos on this domain. So basically you can see right in front of you, this is a very beautiful looking e-commerce website, and I have totally made this website with all the free resources available out there. So basically if you want to know how to make a full functional e-commerce website, do let me know in the comment section. I will definitely make a whole tutorial or full video about it. Okay, so first of all, to install that particular plugin on your WordPress website, you need to log into the dashboard. Okay, so to log into the dashboard, you need to type youtube.srmehranclub.com/wp admin. So basically your domain name and after that /wp admin. Okay, so once you have entered that, hit enter and it will totally redirect you to the dashboard. So basically if you are logging in for the first time, and it will ask you for the username and password which you have entered while you were installing WordPress on your hosting or the cPanel, right? So once you have entered the login password on the given particular pop-up which you will which you seen by the WordPress, then you will be redirected to this page. This is basically the dashboard or the backend of a website where all the magic happens. Cool. So on the left hand side you will see a lot of settings and options which will help you to customize all the website by yourself. Okay, so let me give you a quick tour what exactly what are. So under the settings section you will find general settings, reading, writing setting, discussion. Basically discussion are like if you want to enable or disable the comment section on each and every post, or the permalink. Basically permalink are one of the important aspect. You always have to select the post name as your permalink. Okay, save changes, and under the tool section you will find import tool, export tool. You can check your site health, you can reset your WordPress website. That is an extra plugin, right? So under the user section you will be able to add new user, delete new user, and if you want to assign a different user different role, you can do that. Or if you want to assign multiple admins to multiple users, you can always do that. Okay, under the appearance mode you will find theme, customize the theme. You can add widget, delete widget, you can customize your menu, and you will get the theme options and everything and all that. So today we are going to deal with the plugin section. Okay, so basically plugin are some kind of extended functionality which will help you to increase some kind of certain function on your website. So if you want a form, there is a form plugin. If you want a, what should I say, slider, then there is a slider plugin. Okay, so today we are going to add a loader screen plugin. So click here, add new, and it will redirect you to the place where you will find all the plugin which has been provided by WordPress for free. And if you click on the here popular section, then you will see there are a lot of free plugins which has been provided by WordPress for free. But the thing is there are generally a lot of difference between free and paid plugin, right? So generally free plugin don't have that much kind of what should I say, functionality, and they have some kind of limitation. So I generally prefer, if you have a little bit of money to invest, always invest that particular money into a paid plugin or paid theme whatsoever is suitable for you. Okay, so let's upload this plugin. Click here, choose the file, and here is the file. Click on install now. Basically it will take a little bit long time because right now my internet sucks. Okay, let's wait for a couple of minutes. Okay, this says that installation has been failed because I have already installed that particular plugin on my dashboard. So let me show you that I have already installed it. Okay, as it comes here, and let me show you where that it is. Loading screen, this is the plugin. I just need to activate it. Super simple. Once you have activated the plugin, you will see this section. Let me show you that website is opening or not right now. It's showing error. Okay, so basically we have to install a framework also, then it won't show error. So let me guide you where is that particular framework. It has to be here. Okay, Gambit plugin, click here, Gambit plugin, and it will open a totally different kind of interface. And here is the Titan framework which you need to install. Click here and it will search for the framework. Automatically I have already downloaded it. As you can see, you just need to activate this framework. Then here you will get a extra widget section. If I'm not sure, here under the appearance, under the things, settings, you will see the loading bar. Click here, and if you now refresh the page, the error might have been solved, if I'm not wrong. Okay, as you can see, there was the loading screen for 1 second. Okay, let me refresh, then you will see it again. There is the loading bar which I was talking about, the cube loading bar. And you can always change the loading bar by coming to this section, setting the loading bar. And if you scroll down, there are like multiple types of loading bar. If you want this four moving dots, you can always select here, come, just go here, four moving dots here, and just save the settings, right? Super simple, isn't it? Let it save, and I will just refresh the page, and let's see. As you saw, this is the four setting. So I hope you really get my point, what I'm talking about. So that's all for this video. If you really like this video, just give it a big thumbs up, and as always, thanks for watching. Well, I'll catch you in the next one.